Start.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel A Blogs. Here we talk about hirings, okay? And I got a lot of calls from different cities and all there, and people wants to know about B2B industries and all because they don't know what B2B is. And they are from B2C company, telecom, international caller, C2C company as well. So yeah, I'm gonna introduce B2B company. B2B it means like a business to business. Uh, B2B is a form of transaction between businesses such as one manufacturer and wholesaler and retailer. Okay, and business to business refer to business that is connecting between a company rather than between a company and individual consumer. That is called B2B. Okay. In the next video, I'll tell you what is the difference between a B2B, B2C, and C2C as well. Thanks for watching A Blogs, and please keep subscribe my channel, like my channel, and forward this video to potential candidate who's actually looking for jobs. And thanks for watching A Blogs again. Thank you.